Hello guys, in this series we are going to learn about Python programming language. Throughout this series we are going to learn Python from the scratch. It will be really helpful and interesting, so stay tuned. So let's see what is Python. Python is a high level programming language which is used in many different kinds of fields. So let's see. Here comes a question. What is programming? It is basically simple. We speak different kinds of languages with different kinds of people to make them understand properly, like French, Japanese, Spanish, many more. Similarly, we use some kind of languages that is called programming languages like Python, Java, C, C++ to communicate with the computers. Here comes another doubt. So, studying Python is that much valuable for my future? Yeah, it's completely valuable for your future. Let me show you how. There are many different and powerful paths that you can choose after you studied Python, and studying Python is one of the great choice in my opinion.
Now let's see about the installation process. Open Microsoft Store and search for Visual Studio. Once you search, there will be a Visual Studio icon. Click it. Since I already installed it in my computer, it will be shown installed. But if you are trying this for the first time, click the install button and wait until it gets installed. And there is also another method to install VS Code. Open your Chrome tab or whatever browser you have, search for VS Code, and you will be getting the Visual Studio Code official website. Click on it and there be you can see download for Windows. After clicking the download button, it starts downloading automatically. Once it gets downloaded, go to the folder which it's downloaded and here comes the setup folder. Click on it and here you can see, then click I agree and next. You can also create a desktop icon so that it is easy to access and click next. And since I already installed VS Code, I don't want to install it again. But if you are trying this for first time, click the install button. After the installation is done, click the Visual Studio icon in the desktop, open it. The interface looks like this. Minimize the VS Code and let's create a new folder to save our programs. Let's name it like Python. Once the folder is created, open VS Code again and click on Open Folder. Click on Desktop, Python, select folder, and that's it. Now click on I trust the authors. Now click on the extension button on the left side and search for Python. Now we are going to download the Python debugger extension. Since we need to run Python in VS Code, we need an extension called Python debugger to run our code. Once it is installed, close the extension column. Now click on new file, create demo.py. Now press enter and search for the folder where we have stored. Click on the Python folder and create file. Now we have created a demo.py file. Py is a short form of Python. Now let's check it whether it is working properly or not. Now type print bracket double underscore and type hello world. After typing, press F5 in your keyboard. There will be option Python debugger. Click Python file and now let's see. Okay, fine. Here we get the output as hello world. Now let's check it with another sentence. Now again press F5. Yes, now we got the output as how are you. So everything is fine, and since our installation and setup process is completely finished, we can get into programming directly from our next video onwards. Thank you.